Hello, hello, beautiful people. Today's chill vlog, you can hang out while I organize and tidy up the kitchen. You know how Beth from The Queen's Gambit can visualize the moves in her head or in the ceiling, I guess? Well, I can basically do that, but with organizing stuff. Does that make sense or does that sound crazy? I don't know. I'm just gonna shut up and let you enjoy this beautiful organizing time lapse. Just kidding, I'm back. As you may be aware, we've been remodeling the kitchen and I recently ordered some things from Amazon like these stars I'm filling that you definitely can see because I'm such a great videographer. LOL. Anyways, I finally got around to putting them in use and I'll link that video and my storefront down below. I seriously am so pleased with all of the purchases and they look great in my honest and humble opinion. What do you think? Yes, you go, lazy Susan. I'm so proud of my little turntable. It's so cute. It has everything you need right next to the stove for when you're cooking. Also, you guys, I forgot to show these vases that I got in my Amazon haul, but these are like my absolute favorite thing in the whole entire kitchen. Well, probably except for the fridge. And I think I'm gonna get some for my room. What do you guys think of them? Continuing the purging process, or the edit, if you will, we got our kitchen painted, so now I'm putting everything back into the pantry. It's not very the home edit because I'm the only one about that life in my family, and if you're still watching, then that probably means that you are too. Shout out to you because, you know, we gotta stick together. Okay guys, so moving on from the kitchen organization that has been taking me a while, not done yet, so if you want to see the kitchen all finished, let me know in the comments and I'll do like a little reveal in my next vlog. But for now, I just got my Black Friday stuff. This is shipment number 1. I did Black Friday. I got something from ColourPop, which I'm so excited for. You guys are not ready for all of the looks that I'm going to be doing soon. I did that on Friday, and then on Monday, I did Cyber Monday. Just some things I got from Amazon, but really, this is my first time opening, so it's like a true unboxing. I'm so excited. I got skincare. Okay. I did some makeup on Friday, like I said, and then for Cyber Monday, I got some skincare. Really, the only thing that I got that was like on a special was this from Naturium. It's the Vitamin C Super Serum Plus. It has vitamin C, vitamin A, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, I can never say that, and salicylic acid. So it literally has everything that you need in this one little jar. And I'm so excited. As you guys know, if you've been watching my videos for the past year, I've been in a huge skincare like kick. And right now I've been using a vitamin C that is in powder form, which I love. It's good. But I just really thought this would be perfect because I wanted to include niacinamide into my skincare. And this just has pretty much every serum that you possibly need. And it's cute. So I can't wait to try this. It's super multitasking, and that's what I love. Just simplifying my skincare routine, and yeah. So I got that, and I'm so excited for that. This was $20. I think it's normally $25, so that was good. Then I also got this, which I was under the impression that this was different. But it's from the brand called Cloven. And let's see. Oh. Yeah, I don't know how hygienic this is. I got these like cotton rounds. It's a pack of, I believe it's 20 or 30 cotton rounds. And it's great that it comes in different colors because I use one a day to take off my eyebrows and mascara, and then I use another one to apply my toner at night. So yeah, I was using regular cotton pads, and you know, I want to reduce a little bit of my waste, so I got these reusable ones that you just throw in this bag and you can wash. Do you see all of this? Yeah, I don't know how hygienic it is that it came in this cardboard box. Oh, there's more. Oh my god, I was about to throw this away. Oh, these are cute. Ta-da. So yeah, so many. One for every day of the month, unless it's one of the 5 months that have 31 days, but it's okay. And then also skincare is this Deep Sea Pure Water Cream. This is from the brand called Burrito. And it looks like this, and this is a moisturizer. And I currently am using the moisturizer from Waleta, which I like. It's just super heavy. It's more of an ointment type, and my skin has significantly improved over this past year, and now I feel like I can switch over to a lighter moisturizer, where before my skin used to be so dry and like peely and like horrible. So now I can switch over to this one. And yeah, this was recommended through a YouTube channel that I watch called Beauty Within, as well as this, and this is from a brand of Susan Yara with Mixed Makeup. There's a whole scandal behind this, but sometimes you just have to turn a blind eye. If the product is worth it, then I'll let you guys know. So yeah, I got all of this, and this was not on sale, and this is not on sale. The reason I got it was because I had a gift card that I wanted to use to get all of these things, as well as I just really wanted to up my skincare right before all of this winter harshness starts destroying the impeccableness that is my skin barrier. So anyways, that's what I got. I'll let you guys know what I think. I'll include this in my Amazon storefront, as well as some of the things that you guys saw throughout this video in my kitchen organization. Everything will be linked in my Amazon storefront. If you do choose to shop through there, I do make a small little commission, and I do appreciate your guys' support if you do shop through there. But if you don't, that's all right. I totally understand. No harm, no foul. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I look forward to sharing a little bit more of some vlogs during Vlogmas. We'll see how many videos I get up. Cross your fingers. Let me know in the description box what you would like to see, and then I will try to film those videos, I guess. Have a great start of December, and I'll be seeing you guys again soon. Bye!